Are you ready to tap into the world of the Amazon affiliate program but feeling overwhelmed by the rules and guidelines? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we're going to demystify the Amazon Associates program, breaking down the do's and don'ts so you can start earning without stressing about breaking the rules. Let's dive in. But before we get started, I want to clarify that although I'm a lawyer by profession, I'm not your lawyer. And so this video does not constitute legal advice, but the information I will share is for educational purposes only. Take a moment to read my full disclaimers at the link in the description box down below so that we all know where we stand. The first tip I have for you when it comes to the Amazon affiliate program for beginner is do make 3 sales within the first 180 days. When you sign up for the Amazon Associate program, Amazon wants to ensure that you are actively promoting their products and generating sales. To confirm this, they have a requirement that new affiliates must make at least 3 qualifying sales within the first 180 days of joining the program. When I say sales, I mean sales that tick all of Amazon boxes, like the products has to be bought by someone who clicked on your affiliate link and then bought the product within 24 hours. Plus, the product has to be paid for and shipped out to the customer. If you don't make those 3 sales within the first 180 days, Amazon may close your account. So plan the timing of joining the Amazon Associate program strategically. First up, you've got to think about your website traffic. Before you jump into the program, you want to make sure your blog has a good flow of visitors. The more people you have coming to your site, the better your chances of making sales. If you're new to this, it might be a good idea to focus on building up your audience first. Next, you've got to consider how you're going to get your content out there. This could be through social media, email marketing, SEO, or other channels. The more people see your content, the more likely you are to make sales. Also, take into account seasonality. Consider the time of the year. If you join the program just before a busy shopping period, like the holiday season, you might have a better shot at making the required 3 sales within 180 days. Next up, don't clock your Amazon affiliate links. Sure, link clocking and shortening can make messy affiliate links look cleaner and more user-friendly and can help with tracking, but Amazon isn't a fan of link clocking. They want to make sure that when someone clicks on an affiliate link, they know they're going to Amazon. But you can use Amazon's own link shortener. They basically give you a way to create shorter, more attractive links that still clearly point to Amazon. Before I move on to the next tip, if you want to protect your blog post and any content you create from thieves and copycats, you can grab my copyright notice template for free. You can use this copyright notice time and time again for anything you create. Your blog, your freebies, your digital products, courses, printables, ebooks, anything. Click the link in the description box below to get your copy for free today. Back to the next tip. Do use the exact verbiage provided by Amazon. Amazon needs you to have a specific affiliate disclosure on your website. I will copy and paste the current standard disclosure you need to use in the description box below for you to use. This is a must for compliance, and you have to put this disclosure anywhere you share Amazon Associate content. And under the Federal Trade Commission guidelines in the US and several regulations in different countries, you need to have a visible affiliate disclosure before any links can be viewed and clicked. It's all about being transparent and building trust with your audience, and if you don't comply, you can get a fine. I have a video all about how to disclose your affiliate links the right way, and I will link to it at the end of this video. Next up, make sure to list all the URLs, including social media, where you plan to share affiliate links in your Amazon account. This helps Amazon keep track of where its affiliate links are being used. But keep in mind that Amazon needs all affiliate links to be placed on web pages that are open to the public. So you can place your affiliate links on your website, on your blog, within your blog post, in your social media posts, on YouTube, but don't share them in emails, offline PDFs, ebooks, private messages on social networks, private Facebook groups, and other gated sites and platforms that are not accessible by the general public. Amazon got some specific rules about this and requires that all affiliate links must be publicly accessible. If your affiliate links are behind a wall, that's not allowed. If you want to share your affiliate links with your email list subscribers, you can include in your email or newsletter a link to a blog post that contains Amazon affiliate links. The next tip I have for you when it comes to Amazon affiliate marketing is do mark all your affiliate links as nofollow. You can use the nofollow tag on its own or with other attributes like sponsored. This is a common SEO practice to tell search engines not to follow these links or give them any credit. If you're enjoying the tips so far, hit the subscribe button to get more tips on how to grow your blog and protect it legally. Moving on to the next tip, don't use your Amazon affiliate links for your own purchases or ask friends or family to make purchases through them. It's really important to make genuine sales from a wide range of customers. Amazon has a sophisticated tracking system and can detect such activities, which can lead to your account termination. Next up, don't offer incentives or rewards for clicking on your affiliate links. This includes any money, rebate, discounts, points, donation to charity, or other benefits. Even mentioning that readers may support your blog by making purchases through your affiliate links is considered an incentive, and it is against Amazon's rules. Next, don't use the Amazon logo in your content unless you have explicit permission from Amazon. Unauthorized use of the Amazon logo can lead to account termination. Same way, don't use Amazon reviews in your promotional content. Amazon owns the copyright of its reviews, and using them without permission can lead to your account being shut down. Don't mention prices in your content. Under Amazon's affiliate program policies, you're not allowed to list product prices in your promotional content unless you show the current price. The reason for this is that prices on Amazon can fluctuate frequently, and Amazon wants to avoid any confusion or misinformation. If a customer sees one price on your website and then a different price when they click through to Amazon, it could lead to a poor customer experience. Therefore, Amazon prefers that customers see the current price directly on their website. The only way around this is if you made sure that you always display the most updated price, but it would be impossible for you to manually keep all prices updated on your website at all times. Lucky for us, some plugins like Amalinks can automatically pull in the current price for Amazon and display it on your website. This is the perfect plugin to make money through the Amazon affiliate program. One of its best features is the showcase box, which is a pretty product box that includes a lot of useful information about the product you're promoting. The showcase box can automatically pull in the current price of the product from Amazon. This ensures that the price is always up to date and accurate. The showcase box even includes a timestamp that shows when the price was last updated, giving your visitors confidence that the price they're seeing is current. So, with the showcase boxes, you're not just getting a pretty way to display products, you're also getting a tool that helps you provide accurate and up-to-date information to your visitors. And the best part? It's all done automatically, so you don't have to worry about constantly checking and updating prices yourself. You can click the link in the description box below to check out this plugin. Also, if you want to use comparison tables on your blog, make sure to include both the lowest new and, if available, the lowest used product price for Amazon products. This requirement applies when comparing products from other websites and Amazon. By doing this, you provide your audience with a comprehensive view of the product's pricing, helping them make informed decisions. The Amazon Associate Program is a fantastic opportunity to make great money from your blog. Even though it's got some strict rules and the commission structure might not be as high as other programs, Amazon links usually have much higher conversion rates. That's mainly because people trust Amazon. It's a brand that's recognized all over the world. But it's not just about slapping links everywhere and hoping for the best. It's about understanding and sticking to the program's terms, making sales within the specified time frame, and having a plan in place to ensure compliance. If Amazon catches you breaking their policies, they won't hesitate to shut down your account on the spot. And here's the kicker. Once your account is gone, so are all your potential future earnings from your Amazon links. Even the earnings you have already made but haven't been paid out yet. Yeah, you won't see a dime of that. That's a massive blow, especially if you spend a ton of time and effort into your affiliate marketing strategies. And don't think you can just get your account back easily once it's been terminated. Amazon is super strict about their policies and they expect you to be the same. So it's a no-brainer. Every affiliate should make it their mission to understand and follow Amazon's rules to the T. These rules are outlined in Amazon Associate Program Policies and Operating Agreement. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing compliance to unleash your earning potential and avoid fines and legal issues, then watch this video next where I'll teach you how to write an affiliate disclosure that is 100% legally compliant to build trust with your audience and convert them into repeat customers. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao e a presto!